Hi friends, my name is Nataraj. In this video I am going to talk about some miscellaneous discussions related to URL patterns. If you get clash between various types of URL pattern, which one will get priority and how it will get priority, that part I am going to show practically in this example. In this video I am going to talk those things practically. First of all, let us try to revise. If you look at my other videos which are related to servlet URL patterns, I think I kept part 1, part 2, part 3 videos on servlet URL pattern. If you look at those videos, I discussed according to servlet specification given by Sun Microsystem. So we can have 3 types of URL patterns. What they are? We can have 3 types of URL patterns. What they are? A, exact match. B, what is next one? Directory match URL pattern. C, what is this? Extension match URL pattern. Exact match URL pattern, directory match URL pattern, lastly what? Extension match URL pattern. How many types of URL patterns are there? 3 types of URL patterns. One is exact match, directory match, extension match. So see, in a web application there is a chance of having more than one servlet component, and every servlet should be configured with, must be configured in web.xml having one or other URL pattern. So in servlet tag we give servlet logical name and class name. In servlet mapping tag we give logical name and what? URL pattern. So indirectly we are linking URL pattern with the servlet component. So in this process, by mistake, if a clash comes between different types of URL patterns, so how it will pick up the URL pattern, which URL pattern gets the higher priority. For example, if clash comes between exact match and directory match URL pattern, container will give priority to exact match URL pattern. If clash comes between directory match and what? Extension match URL pattern, directory match URL pattern will get what? Higher priority. If clash comes between, come on, exact match and extension match URL pattern, no doubt here, who get higher priority? Exact match URL pattern will get what? Higher priority. So let's see some practical scenarios. So if clash comes between exact match and directory match URL pattern, then exact match URL pattern gets higher priority. Let's try to understand. So let us assume I got servlet 1 is having one URL pattern x/y/test1, x/y/test1. Servlet 2 URL pattern x/y/star. Now request URL from browser. HTTP localhost port number is what? 2020 date app x/y/ what is this? test1. See was x/y/test1 matching servlet 1 exact match URL pattern. This is what? Exact match. This is what? Directory match. Hence it's a star na directory match. Fine. So directory match URL pattern. See this one matching this one. Yes. This request URL also matching this one. Also matching this one. What is this? /x/y star. /x/y star. I think you got a clarity or not? /x/y test1. Fine. Web.xml. Here is my /x/y test1. Here is my /x/y test1. So I am just trying to show priority, boss. First of all, let me give clarity. Who will execute here? Exact match URL pattern gets a higher priority. Here for this purpose, what will execute? Servlet 1 will execute. Okay, boss. So let's go to, I have a small web application. What is that web application? MimeApp web app, some name here. There 4 servlets are there, and all the 4 servlet components are configured in what? Web.xml file. There one HTML servlet is there whose URL pattern is /x/y test1, exact match. We have another XML servlet, its URL pattern I am changing to what? /x/y star. What is this? Directory match. Observe very carefully. HTML servlet generates output in the form of what? HTML table. And come on, XML servlet, here is XML servlet, generates output in the form of what? Come on, XML content. Though it is HTML table, because of MIME type, it will be converted into XML content. So I will run this application and I will try to give request URL in the URL pattern. Request URL in the URL pattern, matching both exact match and what? Extension match. Let's see what happens. Here I am running the application. Let's see. Server is started so nicely here, and after that I am typing what? /x/y test1. I typed this URL. This one is matching exact match URL pattern and what? Directory match URL pattern. Let's see. Enter key. Yes, we are getting output from HTML servlet. This is output from HTML servlet. How can you say? In HTML servlet only we have taken the table. In XML servlet we have taken table, but the table will be converted into XML content. So we got output from HTML. That means it is giving priority to whom here? It is giving priority to whom? Exact match URL pattern. What I do is I will do reverse. Here I will take extension match. Okay. Here I will take directory match. Let's run the application. Let's run the application. Run on server. Say next. Say finish. Yes. What is this? /x/y test1. See, output is coming in which pattern? XML pattern. Where is this? Here. So here output is coming in which pattern? XML pattern. This is XML pattern. See, this time it is giving priority to whom here? This is giving priority to whom? Come on. Exact match URL pattern, that is there for XML servlet. Okay. So what is the conclusion? If clash comes between exact match and directory match URL pattern, servlet container gives priority to whom? Exact match URL pattern. Similarly, if clash comes between directory match and extension match URL pattern, what match? Extension match. Extension match URL pattern, then what is this? Exact match URL pattern will get higher priority. Directory match URL pattern. Directory match URL pattern gets higher priority. Who will get higher priority? Directory match URL pattern gets higher priority. Let's see one use case here. Servlet 1 URL pattern /test1 x.do. Let me give servlet 1 URL pattern is /test1 star. /test1 star. This is what here? Directory match URL pattern. Yes. Next one, servlet 2 URL pattern. Tell me, what is this? Here I am trying to take extension match URL pattern. So star.do. Star.do. What is this? Extension match URL pattern. What match here? Extension match URL pattern. Let's see. I'm going to give request URL from browser like this. Localhost datapp. Here I am typing slash test1 abc dot do. Directory match URL pattern says what? These logical directories should match in the URL. In the place of star, anything can be there. I kept abc.do matching. It is matching directory match URL pattern. In the place of star, I kept abc.do matching. What extension match URL pattern says? Anything can be there before, but extension .do should be there at the end. There, that means it is also matching what? Extension match URL pattern. So if clash comes between directory match and what? Extension match URL pattern, can you tell me who will get higher priority? Directory match. So here, what is the point I should write? Directory match URL pattern. So here let me create a practical situation for it. Here, what is this? Slash test1 slash x slash star. This is what here? Directory match. Here what I am taking? Slash star dot do. This is what? Extension match. So let's run this application. For HTML servlet, directory match. For XML servlet, extension match. So right click, run on server. Say next. Say finish. Say OK. Yes, here I am typing slash test1 slash x abc dot do. So this will match what? Two servlet. This URL matches, generates the request and matches with what? Two servlets mapping. So then it will give priority to whom? What is that? Directory match. Why? It is giving output from HTML servlet because even though clash comes, it is giving priority to directory match, and that too we are getting output of HTML servlet because HTML servlet is having what? Directory match URL pattern. Yes. So let's see the next one. Copy this, paste it. If clash comes between, come on, extension match and directory match URL patterns. So this time not extension match, I want to take extension match and exact match. Exact match URL pattern. Then who gets the priority? Exact match URL pattern gets a higher priority. So let's try to understand that use case also. Servlet 1 URL pattern slash test1 slash x slash test1 slash x abc dot do. abc dot do. What is this here? Exact match URL pattern. Exact match URL pattern. Yes, copy this, paste it. Servlet 2 URL pattern. Yes. So servlet 2 URL pattern is what? Star dot do. What is that? Star dot do. This comes under what? Extension match URL pattern. So let me give request URL from browser. Here I am giving some request URLs from browser. dateapp slash test1 slash x I am giving what? abc.do. See here no star symbol, that's why it is what? Exact match URL pattern. See, exactly matching. So it is matching exact match URL pattern or not. And also unfortunately matching what? Dot do extension match also. So directory match URL pattern gets higher priority or no? This time it is what? Exact match. So exact match URL pattern gets higher priority. Who gets higher priority? Exact match URL pattern gets what? Higher priority. Are you understanding my point on it? If clash comes between exact match and directory match, exact match is the winner. If clash comes between exact match and extension match, exact match is the winner. If clash comes between directory match and what? Extension match, who is the winner? Come on, directory match is the winner. If clash comes between all the three URL patterns which are there in a single web application, exact match is the winner. That means container gives higher priority to this. Let's demonstrate this one practically. So how to demonstrate this one practically? Here I am taking ABC dot do. What match? Exact match. Exact match can have extension word but no star symbol. Anywhere any star is there, right? Especially at the last, no star symbol. And here what is there? Star dot do. Let's run this application once. Right click, run on server. Say next. Say finish. Say OK. Here is my slash test1 slash x slash test1 slash x. What is this? ABC dot do. Yes, person black money, some output is there, don't worry. Output is coming from what? HTML servlet, because I have created clash between HTML servlet and XML servlet. Since it is having exact match, it is having what? Extension match. So priority is given to whom? Priority is given to whom? HTML servlet that is having what? Exact match. So let me create a situation. If clash comes between three URL pattern, then what happens? So if clash comes between, let's see, exact match comma extension match and directory match URL patterns, who match? Directory match URL patterns, then exact match URL pattern gets what? Higher priority. So let's see, servlet 1 URL pattern, okay, slash test1 xabc dot do exact match. Servlet 2 URL pattern extension match. So I will take servlet 3 here. Servlet 3 here. Let me take what here? Directory match. What is directory match? Slash test1 slash x abc, not abc here, just take star. So this comes under what here? Directory match URL pattern. What match here? Directory match URL pattern. So now let me take URL, say paste. So here I take abc.do slash text xy, exactly matching. Okay, fine. In the place of star, anything can be there. At the end, dot do should be there. Matching, extension match also. This should match as it is matching. In the place of star, anything can be there. ABC dot do is there. It is also matching what? Directory match URL pattern. But who will get the priority? Exact match URL pattern. So who is that exact match URL pattern? Servlet 1. So let me demonstrate this one practically. So we are seeing output of HTML servlet always. So here I will give directory match URL pattern star directory match. Here as usually I am giving what? Extension match URL pattern. So here I am going for exact match slash test1 slash x abc dot do. What dot do here? abc dot do. Okay, fine. Right click, run on server. Say next. Say finish. Say OK. Yes, here I am typing what here? Slash test1 slash x abc dot do. So output is coming from MS Word. What is this? MS Word. Why, sir? Look at web.xml nice thoroughly. So this it is configured for what? Word servlet. What is the code that is there in Word servlet? Just check it out. Exact match is configured for what? Word servlet. And what is the code that is there in Word servlet? Please observe this. Yes, here is Word servlet. In this Word servlet, same HTML table generation code is there, but okay, MIME type is what? Application slash MS Word. MIME type is what? Application slash MS Word. That's why output is coming as what? MS Word document. Because based on the MIME type only, browser start displaying the web page in what? Different formats. So the conclusion is, according to servlet specification, every server, every container allows three types of URL pattern. One is exact match, other one is extension match, lastly directory match. So if clash comes between these three URL pattern, exact match gets priority. If clash comes between exact match and directory match, exact match get the priority. If clash comes between directory match and extension match, directory match gets the priority. So then if clash comes between exact match and extension match, exact match gets the priority. So that means container also first looks for exact match, not there. Then looks for directory match, not there. Then looks for what? Extension match. Okay. So when you are writing OCWCD kind of exam, this kind of questions are what? Very useful. So everyone knows how many types of URL patterns are there, and they can identify and form the URL patterns. But here I am specifically stressing, okay, if clash comes between what? Different types of URL pattern, who gets the priority? That is what I am talking over here. So I hope you benefited with this video, and you can catch me for more videos in the same playlist.